Yet, Allah gives His commissioned creatures absolute freedom even to the extent that they can refuse Allah the Almighty's commands. He grants them the freedom of denial, disobedience, and abandons agreement with Him. His kingdom will not diminish if the disbelievers do not believe in Him, nor will it be extended if many people believe in Him. On the contrary, the disbelievers will lose, and the believers will gain, but Allah is above all of that. There were many traditions about Iblis at the time of Prophet Muhammad, Pbuh. Ibn Masud, Ibn Abbas and a group of the companions of the Prophet Muhammad, Pbuh, said that Iblis had been the head of the angels in the worldly heavens. Ibn Abbas